Hey friend. Okay, look, I was going through my little Ulta book that they sent out. Because when you be charging, honey, they send you they send you out this little booklet and look at all of these samples. So I'm like, while I'm smelling them, I'm like, why don't I just share my ATA base, my quick thoughts on these? Because some of them, I'm like, okay, the first one is Coach Love. Have y'all heard of that one? Okay, so I don't know. Maybe this is new, maybe it isn't. But I really don't be in Ulta like that. But girl, I think I want this one. I think I need this one. Okay, so here's Coach Love. Ooh, that's good. That is good. Now on the other side is Gift with Love. Okay, so let me smell that one. Are this the same? I don't know. I don't know. But I love Coach Love. I want this one. I want this one, Coach Love. If y'all get a chance, you might want to try that one out. I think that may be one of my favorites from the Coach. I've had a couple of them, but I'm like, I really like that one. Okay, so this is Cosmic by Kylie Jenner. I did not purchase that one. This one smells like something to me. It's good though. It's okay. It's got a little sexy vibe to it. I ain't mad I missed it. I'm not mad I missed it, but I mean it's unique, but the scent to me smells reminiscent of something that I already have. I can't put my finger on it, but it's good. It's pretty. But yeah, I'm going to pass on that one. Okay, so the next up is Lancome, and let's see here. What is this one? It says for Mother's Day. This is Iris Absolute. Yep, Iris Absolute. That's pretty. So I guess all of these are for Mother's Day. But I really, okay, so I have the regular Lancome. Um, and I really don't wear it like I should. I don't know why. And I get compliments every time I wear it. I don't wear it. Where is that bottle? I have the regular one. I have the regular one. I have a little dent in there, but yeah. I don't know. Let me see. I have an issue. I have a problem with with wanting stuff to be sweet all the time. I'm trying to come out of it, y'all. I'm trying my best. And sometimes I will wear it and enjoy it, but if I don't want to wear it, I don't wear it. But this one is pretty. Iris Absolute. Yeah, the Be a Bill. Okay. But that's pretty. Iris and orange Cicery. I can't really see. And warm vanilla. I think I might really like this one a little bit better. I think I might like this one better than the regular one, but I like the regular one too. But that's good. That's good. Okay, so the last one that I got, they sent me a whole bunch, you guys. Okay, is Gaultier Divine. I love Gaultier, okay? Because my husband has that blue man, and when I tell you when he wears that, it smells so good on him to me. It smells so good. I'm like, wear that all the time. The blue man. Mm. This smells good. It's definitely sexy to me. I like it. Okay, then they also have the male side. It's okay. It's good too. I don't know. Sometimes you have to try these on your chemistry, but I was just like, let me just share these with you guys really quickly. I have a couple of perfumes that I got, y'all. I'm going to unbox, but one, this is not going to be a long video at all. I'm just like, while I'm filming, let me go ahead and sit down and make this. I got this Garden of Eden. This was a free gift to me, and this is a rollerball. But girl, let me tell you, this thing right here, Perfume is London. I don't know what is. It came with another perfume, but this smells so good. Ooh, girl, the sweetness, honey. Oh, and when I put this on, my husband's like, "What is that? That smells so good." It is so good. Garden of Eden. Let me see if I can look up the notes real quick because I don't know what this is. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Yeah, if you hear any noise in the background, that's just my family. They outside cutting grass. They always cutting grass and talking and having a good time. So they just enjoying themselves. I probably need to be out there with them. I can't find my phone. Hold up. I was trying my best to find the notes on this. It's called, can you see it? Garden of Eden. When I tell you this smells so good. I'm serious, y'all. I mean, oh, it smells so good. It smells almost, I've never really smelled anything like it, but it's fruity, mostly fruity, um, fresh, sexy, sultry, all at the same time. It's a perfume oil, I believe, because it's a roller ball. But I don't know why. I saw the company and they have a lot of different scents. But looking up the notes for this one, I can't pull it up. And I got it as a free gift. But it's good. Let me just tell you that. So y'all gonna be seeing some combos with this one layered, all right? So I just did want to unbox this Baccarat Gentle Gold. I think this is supposed to be the dupe for Gentle Fluidity Gold. I haven't opened this. I haven't smelled this. As a matter of fact, it's been I don't know where it's been. My husband didn't even tell me I had the box until today. I'm like, I got a box on Sunday. He's like, no, it came the other day. I don't know. I guess I get so much stuff that he don't pay attention. But okay. So here is a bottle. So this is by, it says Mason Fragrance World. So let's just give this a test, y'all, because this is a blind buy for me. I've just been seeing so many people talk about it. Let's just spray. Ooh, ooh, that's beautiful, girl. That's that's gorgeous. It's very soft right now. I can tell there's an intenseness to it. I might have to let this sit a little bit, marinate a little bit. But girl, that is beautiful. I can already get the essence of it. It seems soft right now, but I know it's just going to need to sit. Ooh, let me look up the notes. I absolutely love unique scents. Anything that's different from what I have is so intriguing to me. And this one I find intriguing. It has juniper berries, nutmeg, coriander, musk, ambery, woods, and vanilla. I definitely get vanilla on this initial spray along with other things. I guess it's the coriander. Ooh, juniper berries. This is really pretty. This is really, really pretty. I don't know if, let me see, is this supposed to be a dupe for Gentle Fluidity Coal? Let's look that up. Yep, Mason Francis de Kirkjohn's iconic Gentle Fluidity Gold. Now this is called, I guess it's Barracat. Boy, they kill me with these names. Barracat. Barracat Gentle Gold. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. It says it's an Oriental scent. I love Oriental scents. They are so unique to me. Okay, another one that I love that is an Oriental scent is this one, and that is Bond Number 9's Chinatown. This is the same. It's different. It's not, they don't smell the same at all, but they have this unique quality and it's so intriguing and it is so sexy and inviting to me. Both of these. I get that same kind of sexiness and it's like, where you from? Kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Girl, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm gonna spread a little bit. It's perfect as it is, but I know it's gonna gain intenseness. And that vanilla is good. Oh, I was not expecting this to be so good, honey, because it was under $30. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting this. And girl, this Chinatown, I know it wasn't 200, but I was up in the range on this one. I hardly wear it because it's definitely one of my for special occasions. I love it. I love everything about it. I wish I got the bigger bottle of this because whew, and now I got two kind of like with that Asian vibe. Girl, love it. Love, love, love it. Cute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I do recommend. Highly recommend. And this oil right here, girl, I don't know, but you need to look it up. And it's by Lafumes, Lfumes London. This is a banger. Girl, I gotta win. I gotta win, win, win on my little. I didn't get much. That's all. Yeah, I am buying some more things, but I'm moving very strategically because I have almost a full collection, full shelves. I don't really have a whole lot of room, so I'm trying to use up some of these that I've been had for a while. I'm trying to use them down so I can make room for new fragrances because I love the new. Oh, and girl, that the new one by Mona. Oh, Callie. Girl. I think it's May 2nd. That one is dropping. I missed the glitch. I've been so busy being in and out of town. I hadn't even thought about looking for that girl, but that's definitely one I want. And yeah, so I hear it's May 2nd. I'm gonna be up and running on that. But this is so good. This is so good. Love it. Well, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. It's not going to be long and drawn out, honey. But, yep. That one is it. Y'all need to get that. Both of them. Both of them. Get them. Okay, y'all. That's it. That's it. I can snip this off. Dang. But look, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop me a comment. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.